you seen these hanging flowers before? Or do you know its name? This gorgeous flowering creeper is Thunbergia Coccineum, commonly known as Indian clockvine. Let's talk about it in detail today. Welcome back, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Indian clockvine is known by various other names such as brick and butter vine, doll shoe, Scarlet Clockvine and Sehra Bel. It's a climber variety flowering vine, so it needs some support to climb and spread. So grow them over some arches or frame support for better look of the flowers, as the flowers hang down for about 3 to 4 feet. Trail the plant in such a way that the vine can hang the flowers from above, so avoid growing them on fences or walls, as flowers will not show off properly. It's an evergreen perennial flowering plant and it belongs to southern tropical India. If we talk about its flowering season, it blooms from monsoon till spring, and once the flower blooms, it remains on the plant for months. If we talk about its water requirement, it needs regular watering like any other plant if grown in the garden. But if it's grown in pots or containers, then always check the soil and water it accordingly. And if we talk about its sunlight requirement, the plant grows well in full to partial shade as well. And more interestingly, they do flower in partial shade also. So if your balcony doesn't get more than 4 hours of sunlight and you want to grow some creeper, then this is the perfect choice for flowering vine to grow in big size pots. It blooms in orange and red color, but the color of the flower depends on the climate or the temperature of your area. If the temperature is on the warmer side, then the flower will bloom in orange. However, if the temperature or the weather is cold in your area, it will bloom in red color. There is one more variety in this plant, which is Thunbergia mysorensis, and the flowers bloom in bright yellow color. Both the plants have similar leaves, similar flowering pattern. It's just the colors are different. Now let's see how to propagate this plant. Take at least 6-inch long tender stem cutting like this, thick green stems with nodes on it, and from these nodes new shoots and flowers grow. Propagate the cutting in water, and once they develop good roots, you can transfer it to the soil, and spring and monsoon seasons are best for propagation. Coming to the last point on how to promote its flowering. Add compost to the plant right before its blooming season and prune its spent flowers and branches once its flowering season is over. So that's all for this very beautiful, gorgeous flowering creeper. I have given all the details. If anything is missing, do let me know through the comments. And its season is there, you may easily get it in big nurseries. If you don't find it in any nursery, I will share a few links. You can buy them online, or if you don't get it online also, no worries. If you see it anywhere in your neighborhood, get a cutting and grow them in your garden. So that's all for today, guys. I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you.